Hello everyone, today we won't play badminton. I'll teach you the most important warm-up exercises before playing badminton. Neck stretch. Turn your neck left and right for at least 5 times. Same neck turn to up and down.
Three-dot hamstring and thigh stretch. Use your alternate leg and bend it for stretch. Four-dot hand rotation. Rotate your hand clockwise and counterclockwise 5 times. Five-dot shoulder stretch. Lock, alternate hand, above elbow, and hold for 5 seconds. Do same with another hand. Six-dot shoulder and back stretch. Rotate only upper body to the back, using your hands. Seven-dot half squats. Keeping back straight and knees behind toes, sink hips back and slowly lower into half squat. 8. Wrist rotation. Rotate your wrists anti-clockwise and clockwise 5 times. Nine. Quads and hamstring stretch. Use your hands and move one leg halfwards, and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. Do same with another leg. Hand to toe touch. Have distance between 2 legs and touch one hand, 2 alternate legs, toe. Do same with another hand and toe. Tricep stretch. Hold left hand to elbow of right hand for 5 seconds. Do same with right hand hold and left tricep stretch. 12. Back or spine stretch. Stand straight, hold hands at back and try going down on forward side. Hold down for 5 to 10 seconds. Thank you for watching.